Hey everyone, how are you doing? So, sorry for my wobbly camera. My lazy pod is unstable today and I can't fix it. But anyway, today I went to the National Bookstore to look for a music notebook for my son, but I ended up buying something else because they ran out of stock for the music notebook. And here it is. I'm gonna unpack it because I think my fellow artists in the Philippines out there would be happy to know about this promo. Ta-da! There you go. So here, so I actually hoarded it because, well, actually Canson Watercolor Paper is a beginner watercolor paper, or a paper for watercolor newbies. Okay, so this was one of the papers that I used while I was still starting out with watercolor. But that was not the reason why I hoarded like 5 sets of this. The reason why I hoarded this paper is because, well, one, we needed it for watercolor practice. But the primary reason is, tada, this paper comes with 2, not 1, but 2 free Winsor and Newton markers. How awesome is that? So here you go. So I just wanted to, I actually hoarded this because I wanted to complete the colors that were available as free. And I was able to complete it with just 5 sets. Okay, so here is one that has gray and lemon yellow marker. This one is green and lipstick red. This one is also green and, what's this? I think some sort of pink. I cannot read the label. And this one has cobalt blue and one yellow. And this one is pink also with brown. So actually, I was able to complete the colors that were available for free in these sets. So I got 5. And the good news is there's still a lot of stocks at National Bookstore, UP Town. So if you guys want to grab your hand, get this free Winsor and Newton markers with your Canson paper, then go ahead, head on over to the nearest National Bookstore, okay, and get this one. So I'm gonna test these markers, by the way, because you know, I haven't actually tried using this one, but I am excited to find out how it works. Okay, so let me just grab a piece of paper. So this one is a 50% cotton paper, and let's see. So this one is brown. It's Promarker, so it's called cocoa or chocolate color. Let's see. Cool. I wonder if I can wet this one. I don't know. It's possible. It works like a watercolor. Oh, nice. This is almost neon pink. See, I love it. This is permanent. I'm not so sure, but definitely when I get to use this for my future artworks, I will definitely post a video about it. So yeah, guys, so if you have national bookstores near you that are selling art materials, maybe they still have stock for the paper and the free Winsor and Newton Promarkers. Yay!